They said farming is for the poor. They said you need incubators, electric brooders, big houses, and fancy machines. But I began with none of that. No power, no brooder, no incubator. Just 20 tiny chicks, a mother hen, and faith in my hand. And from that humble start, there came a story of patience, survival, and success. A story that it turned 20 chicks into $500. Can you imagine that? What kind of business can you start with such little capital but gain such amount of money within a very short period? If you have not watched how we started this channel or how we started our poultry project, go back to my videos. The first video on this channel will show you how we started. If you are watching me right now and you have been dreaming of starting your own farm but you fear your capital is too small, this video is for you. Stay with me to the end. You will see how small beginnings can really build real wealth. And before we start, tell me in your comments where you are watching this video from, either the county or the country in case you are outside Kenya, and what kind of farming are you planning to begin. I know you have been watching my videos and you know that I come from a small rural village far from the city lights. Here, electricity cuts are very normal. I think you know what I mean. Sometimes the only light you have at night is from the moon. So when I decided to start poultry, people laughed. They said, how will you keep chicks warm with no brooder, no heat bulb, no feeders, nothing? But I had something they didn't see. A mother hen. In my village, hens have been raising chicks naturally for generations. And really, I used that. A small wooden coop made from old timber, mud, and a bit of grass for bedding, and the warmth of a natural mother. When the mother hen hatched her 12 chicks, I added a few which I had bought from a neighbor, making a total of 20 chicks. As you can see here, there is no heat. There is no electric brooder, no incubator, just a mother's wings and my consistency. In the evening, I will light a small charcoal pot near the coop, not to heat it like a machine, but just to reduce the cold wind, okay? The rest was up to the nature. And of course, faith. But the first weeks really nearly broke me. Rain came very early. The nights were freezing. 2 chicks died of cold. One was stepped on by the mother. I learned early that poultry farming is not a fairy tale. It is sweat, heartbreak, and patience. But I refuse to give up. Every morning I'll wake up before sunrise, sweep the coop, add dry grass, check the feed, and talk to my chicks. Yes, I used to talk to them, because in this journey of poultry farming or chicken farming, sometimes the only motivation you have is your own voice echoing hope to them. So when they got weak, I used natural remedies, a mixture of garlic and aloe vera. When they sneezed, I burned herbs to clear the air. I did a video on those herbs that I use in my poultry farm. If you have not seen that video, please go back and you will find it just on this channel. That's how I learned that even without modern tools, nature can still work for you, just if you respect the nature. You might be wondering, what kind of breeds do I keep? Well, I am doing pure kienyeji chicken, and sometimes I also mix with improved kienyeji. So by week 15, the birds were mature enough. Their feathers were full, their weight was good. I sold 9 birds for around $6 each. That's about $54, already more than what I had invested. The remaining 11 I decided to fatten for another 3 weeks. I improved their diet slightly, added sunflower seed meal, a little fish meal, and of course crushed maize. When I sold those ones, each went for between $1,000 to $10 to $12, bringing my total profit close to $500 after 4 months. Can you imagine that? With no incubator, no machine brooder, no electricity, just focus and faith in natural systems. And here is what many people don't realize. Your first goal in farming isn't to make millions, okay? Are you getting me? Your first goal is to learn the system and master the rhythm. Once you do that, scaling up becomes very easy as far as chicken farming or poultry farming is concerned. I get a lot of comments and questions from my subscribers and followers asking me, what is the secret of my success? Now today I will tell you my secret. This is the secret. The secret is, there is no secret, right? It is about discipline. Feed your chickens on time, keep their home clean, protect them from predators, never skip a vaccination, even if it costs you a little. Your biggest enemy isn't disease, okay? It is inconsistency. If you skip one day, you lose days of growth and risk infection. In poultry farming, every detail matters. From the first grain they eat to the water they drink. If you can care for 20 birds faithfully, then you can care for 100 or even 1,000, okay? I already made my $500 from 20 simple, minute chicks. And today I manage more than 150 birds in rotation. And every new batch teaches me something new. What's my target? 1,000 birds. Build from the same foundation of simplicity. Have I bought machines? No. I still use natural brooders. Mother hens who sit, hatch and raise their chicks naturally. Because I have learned that you don't need big capital to start. You just need big consistency. So if you are watching this video from a small village, a town, a city maybe in the United States of America, in the South Africa, in Nairobi, in Johannesburg, or in Nigeria, or wherever you are watching this video from, you can start with what you have. Even 20 chicks can change your life story forever.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
So if this video has inspired you, tell me where you are watching from in the comment section. Let us build a community of small farmers turning dreams into money. And also tell me, what video should I do next? Should I teach you how to raise chicks naturally, how to make your own feeds, or how to market your birds? Type your suggestion in the comment section, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because together we'll prove to the world that chicken farming has money, and I mean real money. Thank you so much. This is Corobe Farm, and until next time, bye bye.